you put your hand out like that, it looks like you're holding the guitar. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
I don't think so.
Good afternoon, I'm coming to you from Walnut Ridge, Arkansas. This is another Amtrak station tour. We're going to show you what's around the area here. We already spotted a few things that we're going to point out along our way here, so come along with us. Let's go make some memories. So let's check out our platform here. Here's the parking lot here. There's a couple of handicap spots and a couple other spots. As far as long-term parking goes, I'm not sure. This one says it's an unmanned or unstaffed station, so there shouldn't be any staff here. I don't know if the building is open or not. I'm gonna try. There's a couple things we're gonna check out. There's some kind of little, I wouldn't call it a park, like a little informational area here that has a guitar and stuff, and the whole pathway on the ground is shaped like a guitar with a bunch of informational boards. Also looking in this direction, just past where the church is right here, there's a Family Dollar, so you can use that to go shopping to get some stuff for the trains. And then a few other things we spotted. Let's take a walk along the platform here. You see it's kind of residential and industrial around here like usual. Here's our signboard. And here's our old station building. But before we get to that, if you look right down this street right here, there's a place called Katrina's Grill. And it does look like it's open. There's lights on and there's cars there. There's a Moni's Cafe also next to that. And then there's a place here that says Carla's Flea Market. I'm not sure if that's open, when that's open and stuff, but you could do a little bit of shopping possibly in there and find some goodies. So this says Iron Mountain Depot Restoration in 1995. I did see when I was looking at this online where people were calling something Iron Mountain, so I'm guessing that was this area here that they were talking about. I have a feeling the station may be unlocked. And here's your wheelchair lift. And then here is the end of your platform right here. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got in here. It does not feel air conditioned. There's like a clothes basket, a suitcase. Is that stuff that people have lost, or is somebody living in here? And there are restrooms in here as well, which Tori went to go use the women's. I'm gonna use the men's here in a second. Let me finish showing you what else we got. There's no toilet paper. Somebody's got the door propped open here too in the front. The smell in the men's room, I hate to say this, but you know, like when there's a smell, like when somebody's homeless and they have that smell, it smells like that in the men's room. We do have some books in here. I'll get back to the other thing in a second. We've got the map. This is the Chamber of Commerce. It's open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30, closed for lunch, 12 to 1, but then also closed on Friday. Don't know what's going on there. The old Frisco Lines board here, that's kind of cool. Some more books, and then the old ticket counter here. But then the thing over here is there's a suitcase, a car seat, some clothes, like a jacket. There's a laundry basket with stuff in it. I think somebody's living in this train station, or at least taking cover in here at night, because there's plenty of garbage, like somebody's living in and out of here. And like I said, they got the door propped open, so maybe if they lock the door at night, they can still try to get in and out. Names of a whole bunch of people. I don't know what this is for. It says they have video cameras here, but if something, it looked to me like somebody's living in that place. So all these names are people who donated money to help restaurate, I guess, the train station. So it says this is Custom Concrete Creations, 2012. So this has been here for a little over 10 years. It's the Guitar Walk at Cavanaugh Park. Interesting. So right now it's like I'm walking through the, what do you call it, the arm of the guitar? I'm not a musician. I've never played instruments. I have no musical talent whatsoever. Let's see who we got here. Each one of these is a different musician. We've got, I'm just going to do a real quick overview. We've got Sonny Burgess, Conway Twitty. I've heard of him. Billy Lee Riley. Okay, I know everybody watching's heard of this guy, Johnny Cash. Carl Perkins. Don't know who he is. Oh, and they have a little button on each one of these you can press in here. Does it play their music? okay, that's cool. I didn't realize all of them had music. And we have Jerry Lee Lewis. We've got Roy Orbison. My mom used to like Roy Orbison. She used to like his music. We've got a couple more left here. There's a train coming too. Are we going to run and catch it?
Yeah, let's go.
And we've got Wanda Jackson.
Ah, you know that one.
And last but not least, the King. That's a really cool park. I love how you can listen to their music. So this is going to wrap up our visit here to Walnut Ridge, Arkansas. We're able to see the Amtrak station. There wasn't too much to it, but at least it was open. Cleanliness, sketchiness, but it's still a station and there's still a place to go inside. Hopefully maybe they have security, and they said they have cameras monitoring it, so maybe somebody isn't living in there and it's just a place that gets used, and maybe somebody lost that suitcase and they just stuck it in there thinking if maybe they'll come back for it. Who knows? I don't really know. Can't speak on it, so we didn't see anybody. But if you enjoyed this visit, please hit that like button down below. It does make a big difference. It would help our family out a lot. It's the simplest, easiest thing you can do. Have you ever thought about being a member to our channel? If so, you can click the join button down below, and there's 2 different levels of membership if you want to do that. We do put out early access to our videos through that, so take a look at that if you're interested. Leave me a comment. You ever traveled in or out of Walnut Ridge on your way to Chicago or on your way further south and west, Little Rock and beyond? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. If you're interested in train travel, please share this video with anybody else you know who would be. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Safe travels. See you on the rails. See you soon.